To predict the gender of the unborn baby has always been a mystery for the expectant couples. There are many methods that have been evolved for this. These methods range from some conventional old wives' tales to some advanced ultrasound scans. Here we will be discussing some generally used gender prediction methods. Old wives' tales. Predicting the gender of the baby with the help of old wives' tales is one of the most conventional method of determining the gender of the baby. It rather is one of the funniest methods for predicting the gender of the baby. Here is some of the commonly used old wives' tale for the predictions. Carrying low or carrying high. The old wives say that if the expectant mother is carrying a baby low, she is going to have a baby girl. If she is carrying a baby high, she is going to have a baby boy. Heartbeat. If the heartbeat of the growing fetus are more than 140, the gender of the baby can be predicted as female. If the heartbeat of the unborn is less than 140, then the unborn baby is male. Weight gain. If the expectant mother gains weight, she is going to have a baby girl. If she does not put on much weight, then the unborn baby is male. Urine and Drano test. If the expectant mother takes the sample of her urine and mix it with Drano, the colors which appear may also predict gender of the baby. If the color turns to yellow, brown, blue or black, it's a baby boy. If the color turns to green or greenish brown, it's a girl. Cravings. If the mother is craving something sweet, she is going to have a baby boy. If the craving is for sour, spicy food, she is going to have a baby girl. Scientific methods to predict the gender of the baby. Urine test. Apart from these traditional and conventional methods, there is a scientific approach to predict the gender of the baby. These scientific methods that are used to determine the gender of the baby are much more accurate. Here are some of the commonly used methods for predicting the gender of the baby. Ultrasound. An ultrasound is the most widely used procedure for predicting the gender of the baby. This involves exposing the womb of the mother to very high frequency waves. This method can rightly predict the gender of the baby. Amniocentesis. It is a test in which a small amount of amniotic fluid is extracted from the mother's womb and is tested. Normally this method is adopted to determine the genetic defects or disorders, but it also rightly predicts gender of the baby. This method is not unnecessarily used as it contains the risk of miscarriage. Chorionic villus sampling. In this, a sample of tissue is taken from the placenta and is tested for the genetic disorder, rightly predicts the gender of the baby. DNA testing. DNA testing. It is the most advanced method for predicting the gender of the baby. A tiny drop of the mother's blood is obtained from the finger of the expectant mother and tested for DNA and exactly predicts gender of the baby. All this give us a fair idea of the different methods used for predicting the gender of the baby. Remember, some of them are simply tales, but it still can be fun predicting the gender of the baby.